So I just thought I would take an opportunity to introduce Amber. Amber's our law graduate. I said to Amber, if there's something that you wanted to get across to people that come to the practice, what would that be? And she had some really deep and meaningful insights that I wanted her to share with you. So Amber, talk to me a little bit what it's like to be a law graduate and what it is to be effectively one of the frontline people here in the practice, because the phone rings and you answer it. Talk to me about those experiences.
Being a law graduate at this firm is really invaluable because I'm working under some amazing solicitors who have such a plethora of knowledge in a variety of areas, and to be able to see lawyers practice in the way that they do with the empathy that they have, but also the knowledge of complex financial issues. I feel very lucky that this is where I'm getting my training to become a lawyer. And in terms of the work that I do as a law graduate, I do think that I'm in a really special position at this firm because I do get to be that first point of call with clients, and I get to be the ones that they speak to on a day-to-day if the solicitor isn't available. And instead of speaking to someone who isn't familiar with their matter, I know what's going on. I can give them some answers potentially, and also just be there to hear what they have to say. And sometimes they're calling about booking an appointment, and other days it's, you know, something really distressing has happened and maybe our solicitor's in court, and to have someone there that they can talk to who knows their case, understands what they're going through and can listen with empathy, and also maybe potential give them some advice and some help, not legal advice, not yet, but I think that that's really special for the clients, and I think they really value that experience at our firm.
I think it's essential. I think that knowing that the person that's answering the phone knows a little bit about you, or a lot about you actually, because they're managing your file day to day, and can help you in that time of need. It makes all the difference to somebody's world in that moment. If you could give one little bit of advice, what would that be? What would you say to somebody that's about to pick up the phone and call the practice?
I think what I would say is it will be okay. It might seem right now that you're in one of the most vulnerable times in your life, the most stressful, and it might seem like the future is really uncertain and you don't know what is going to happen. But when you contact our firm, we are there, we're going to support you, we're going to advocate for you, and it might seem like it's the end of the world right now, but it's really not. You have a whole life ahead of you, and we're going to help you get to that point where you will be okay.
It's wonderful, Amber. Thank you so much.
Thank you.